Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make an awesome thumbnail for free. Let's get started. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is head over to canva.com, which will be linked in the description below. After that, head up to the top right hand corner and click create a design. Go ahead and search YouTube thumbnail and click on it. Now once you're here, you actually have a lot of options you can use. You can either use a template or create your own. I'm assuming a lot of you guys want to use a template, so to do that, you just search a template that you want, and I'm going to do tech, and I'm going to select a tech template. Now I think this one is a good starting off point, but I don't like the font or the colors of the image. So how do you change those? To change the font, we're going to select the text right here. We're going to click it, make sure we're on it, highlight it, go over here to where it says the font name. We're going to go with the Brill Fat Face. Now I do like this font right here, so we're going to go ahead and leave it. Now to change the colors, it gets kind of tricky. You can see there's a bunch of different colors just laid out on top of each other. But if we select this color right here, go to the color image, we can change it right here, and I think I'm going to go for a nice blue. I'm going to do the same for the other image as well. This time a little darker blue, and this one we're going to change to a nice dark purple. So that's how you guys can change the actual color image itself. Now to change the image, we're simply just going to click it and delete it. The cool thing about Canva is it has a lot of stock options built into it. So if we head to elements, we can actually search anything that we're looking for. I want to find a gaming PC, and I like this one, so I'm just going to click it and it'll automatically get added in. Go ahead and filter and adjust as you need. You can also crop it like this. Now to change the text, you're just going to simply select it, double click it to make sure you select it all. Now for this template, I'm going to just put in the ultimate gaming setup. Then for Tech Tips episode, we're going to do gaming setups number 1. So this is our final result without having to do almost any of the hard work whatsoever. All we did was change an image and a couple colors as the font as well. But that is how you guys can make an awesome template for free in 2022. Canva does have some paid options as well. I will link that in the description below. That being said, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and like to never miss another one. I will see you guys all in the next video. Later.